Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen Your Way, where it's all about taking your favorite dish, putting your own little twists and your own takes on it. So in this video, I'm going to be making meatloaf and mashed potato. I'm going to show you how I do it. Let's get to it. For this recipe, I'm going to need some onion and some beef stock. I grate my onions because my family do not like onion pieces, so grating it is a good way to get the onion flavor in there without the pieces. I have some parsley, some ketchup, some spices that I like to use. I have some Worcestershire sauce, eggs, some grated garlic. I have some panko and Italian breadcrumbs that I have mixed together. And for my mashed potatoes, I'm going to need potatoes and salt to season the water, butter, some heavy cream, and some seasoning for the sauce for the mashed potatoes as well. Okay, here I have some meatloaf mix and 1 pound of 85% lean ground beef mixed together. So together I have 2 pounds of meat. I'm going to throw in my eggs, grated garlic, some Worcestershire sauce, beef stock, grated onion. Next is my parsley, breadcrumbs. I wanted to mention that I add beef stock instead of milk. You could do that if you like. And my spices, my ketchup. And it's time to get dirty. We're gonna mix all this up. Give it a good mix. Next, I have my loaf pan here that I'm going to spray with some cooking spray. If you have parchment paper, it is actually better to just line it with parchment paper, but I didn't have any. I'm going to add my meat. Gonna try to get it all neat in there. Then it's time. I'm going to add my ketchup. You can add as much or as little ketchup as you like. As much. I don't like too much ketchup on there. Now for my potatoes, I cubed up my potato into large cubes and added to my boiling water that was seasoned with salt. And I'm going to let the potatoes cook until they're fork tender. Once my potatoes are fork tender, I'm going to make sure all the liquid has dried out by leaving the heat on low. For the sauce for the mashed potato, I'm gonna add in my butter, let it melt. And I'm just gonna warm up my heavy cream in there because we don't want to add cold cream to the mashed potato. And then I'm going to season it lightly. Once that's all, my water has dried for my potato, I'm going to add the mixture, the cream mixture in there, and I'm going to mash my potatoes. This is when you can mash it to how you like it. If you like it more chunky or more smooth, it's your preference. Just add the cream as you go along. My potatoes all mashed and creamy, just how I like it. I wanted to make some gravy for the mashed potatoes, so I'm going to add some butter to a pan. I'm going to throw in some flour, all-purpose flour. I'm going to make like a roux with it. Next, I'm going to add the dripping from the meatloaf that was in the bottom of the loaf pan. Going to add beef stock to thin this out to the thick beef stock in there. I am done with my gravy. I'm going to go for a smoother texture, so I'm going to strain it. And this is it. This is what I get at the end. It was delicious. The meatloaf was very juicy and yummy. Everything came together really, really well. Enjoy. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel and like and subscribe for more.